Hello and welcome to RK Venkatesh Tech Channel. Today, we're excited to review the Asus VivoBook 15X515JA-EJ522TS Laptop. Design and display: the Asus VivoBook 15X515JA-EJ522. TS features a stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display, perfect for watching movies, browsing the web, and working on projects. The laptop's sleek and slim design makes it easy to carry around, weighing in at just insert weight. Performance powered by the 10th Gen Intel Core RY3 processor, 4GB of RAM, and 256GB of SSD storage. This laptop delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks. Whether you're working on documents, streaming videos, or browsing social media, the Asus VivoBook 15X515JA-EJ5252TS has got you covered. Battery life: with up to insert battery life hours of battery life, you can stay productive on the go without worrying about running out of juice. Connectivity: the laptop features a range of connectivity options, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 5. You'll have no problem connecting your favorite devices and accessories. Conclusion: the Asus VivoBook 15X515JA-EJ5252TS Laptop is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable laptop for everyday use. With its stunning display, smooth performance, and long battery life, this laptop is sure to impress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.